Hey everybody, it's Roland the Real from Complete Trader Academy with another daily review. Today is December 8th, 2022. Today is Thursday. Here's the daily candle right here. As we discussed yesterday, sure enough, price opened up, wanted to take out the high of the candle and close the imbalance for the previous day, which would have been Monday. So, I'm going to go into a smaller time frame real quick so you can see this. Now, a big red flag yesterday was, so we were in buys here, but big red flag here was it was at a consolidating area yesterday, and then it opened up, and this is still early Asia, and price came all the way down. That's a big movement for Asia. You don't typically see this type of movement for Asia. Came right into this demand area. Didn't take out the low, and then started rallying up the rest of the day. So this was a great opportunity to get in right here. But my rules are, for me, and yours can be different, but you could have caught this Asia trade. I didn't take it because this is not when I trade. So I'm not going to get into a trade that I'm not going to end up watching and stay in and all that. I stick to my rules of the New York session, and I just kind of keep it at that. Rarely will you see me catch a Asia or London session trade, which I can, but I mean, I can't make this my entire life. I have other things going on and blah, blah, blah. So anyways, big Asia move, took out all this liquidity here, came into this demand, didn't break it, came up, broke structure here, came down, drives 1, 2, 3 drives down, got into this demand area, came up, kept going. So now this is when I'm awake and I'm looking at the market right here. I was going to get in the trade here, but it was just too early for me. I wanted to see more data. Sure enough, price opened up here. Now we're looking at 9 o'clock, 9:30, and then now it's coming into this supply area. Never broke that low, so that's a protective low right there. And then here are the two lines that I have for the imbalance, and I'm basically looking to take price to at least to close it up, which it did pretty nicely. And once it went above here and took out that high, I was pretty much out of the trade. Even when it came down and broke here, it was pretty much big red flags that were most likely going to go down, and then aim for this low, because generally the market is manipulating and they want to only give you enough to handle for a small short-term swing, intraday swing. So they give you enough to get in and get out, and they kind of balance the market that way. That's how I see the market, and as you can see here, and the data shows it. Now, I was going to take this sell here, but I had other things to do. So I was kind of afraid that it was going to turn into a more consolidating moment like this yesterday, which it in a way did. Look at the price, ended up landing here, closing. So that was my trade here. Very simple and self-explanatory there. And yeah, as far as what's going to happen tomorrow, now, let me go back to it. Let me go to a 1 hour so you can see this. But I had this here with this imbalance here. You can see that was a 1 hour imbalance. This was a daily imbalance as well. Price came and drawn and closed it up. Got nicely into this supply block here. I was mentioning that a couple videos ago that I like this area, and sure enough, it came. I'm starting to like this area as well, but I'll be honest with you, it does not have to come up. If I was to put a fib from here to here, this came out to a 38% right here, which is where it's sitting. Even if I was to take a fib and show you, why not? Hey, why not? So take the fib here, and then what is this? So it came right to a 38 right there, and then there was a reaction. So that's another reason why I have a feeling it was going to come up here, or it might even come up here and get into some liquidity here. If there's a deep retracement, then it'll shoot for this area, but I don't really see that happening. Honestly, man, between me and you, with where the economy is going, everyone's trying to say that everything's picking up nicely and all that. I'll be honest, I think it's going to sink. I really think the markets are going to tank We got interest rates still going to be going up. 2023 is going to be tough. So why wouldn't the markets be down? I mean, so, I think this was the start of the leg down here. And I might have missed the major swing to catch it, but it's okay because I'm making money every day and I'm catching the money as it's going every day. So, it'd be almost the same thing as if I caught it from here and, took the trade and sold and took it out from here, right? Took the profit from here. I mean, I'm still getting money every day in these trades. So it's fine. I don't look at the market like that where I'm freaking out like, oh my God, I missed it and all that. It's just happening every day. So as you see, but anyways, yeah, I do like the liquidity here, but to be honest, now that it's coming into this range, I mean, we might take out this high again, but I'm starting to like this area to be finished and starting to break down. But again, like as you saw that fib, it could retrace to somewhere here as well. We'll see as it goes. Obviously, as you see, you paying attention to Asia and London gives you the story for the rest of the day. That's why I took this trade, because I knew that we had a nice high here coupled with the supply here and the imbalance. So it all made sense. All right. Hope this helps. Take care. God bless.